Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today I'm going to go over how to sign up and use your Microsoft Rewards points to be able to use for a subscription to your favorite partnered streamer on Mixer. So once you're signed on your Xbox, you're going to want to go to, if you don't already have the app and you're not signed up, then what you're going to want to do is go down to, you can scroll down here this way and go to the store, or you can also hit your Xbox button and go here to the store. So whichever way you prefer. I'm going to go down this way to the store. We're going to go to search. In the search, you're going to start typing in rewards. You can just probably do REW. Once you see it there, you're going to want to click on it. Once it brings it up there, it's going to say install. Mine says launch because I already have it installed. So once you have it installed, you want to open that up. Okay, and then this is a page it's going to bring you to. It's going to show you all your points there at the top. If you have points, then you're going to be able to go through each one of these things and just kind of do all the things that you're able to collect the rewards points. So what I wanted to show you on this, by the way, this one shows you PC search, mobile search, and Microsoft Edge bonus. So you can do that on all those. And I'm going to show you today how to do this on your Xbox, on your phone, and on your PC. So as you can see up here in the right-hand corner, it says Xbox Game Pass Quest. You see how it has a little white check mark with a green background? That means I've done that. I have some Xbox Game Pass quests that I've completed, so that means that I've gotten those points. The ones that have just a plus next to it, like plus 50 or whatever it is, those mean that you haven't done them yet. Those are the ones that you can still earn. Okay? Okay, so once you get your points here, once you earn your points and you want to go to redeem the points for a subscription, you want to click on your right bumper, which will take you to redeem at the top. And then you're going to want to go down all the way to the bottom where it says shop. And you want to click on that where it says show all. And then you're going to want to go down to the second row here where it says Mixer channel sub 1 month. You want to click on that. And then all you'd have to do is click on redeem reward. I'm not going to do it now, but that's all you would need to do. And then it should send you an email with the code in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you next how to redeem that on the browser through Mixer once you're signed in. Okay, so now we're going to sign up on the rewards site for Microsoft.com. I know on the Xbox I showed you how to use the app. I didn't show you how to sign up on there, honestly, because I think it'd be easier to sign up through a browser. You can do it on the Xbox, but I'm just saying it's easier on the PC. So I want to kind of go through this with you quickly, just so I can get straight to the point for you guys. So if you're not signed up already, I would click on the sign up for free here, of course, and fill out all the information. I just kind of want to go over the page for you and show you what's on this page. So just kind of goes through everything. You can search to earn points. You can give back to charities if you want. You can shop to earn points. And you can play to earn. They have dailies offers, weekly quizzes, and daily quizzes. So make sure you go in there, sign up for that first. Once you're signed up, I'm going to show you what my page looks like. This is where you would go to. This is what your rewards page will look like. It's going to show your points up here. Your if you have a streak count, like if you're doing 3 days in a row, 5 days in a row, because you get more points if you do consecutive days in a row as well. This one is showing earn double points when you make Bing your mobile search engine. You can do that if you want. I'm just going to close that out. So scrolling down here on the page, you can see these are the things I can have to do today. So I can get 10 points to go in there, and I can actually show you this if you want to see it, but you can go into each one of these and these are going to give you these points. Okay, I'll click on it. Well, I don't know. I won't click on it because you guys probably just want me to get to the point. So these are the things you can click on. It'll take you to another page which will show you what to do. Okay. And then if you scroll down, it has more things like these ones that have the, again, like it was on the Xbox, the white check mark with the green background. That means I've already done these. Okay. And then the ones that I can still do have the plus sign next to them. And you click on these, you can donate to as well, like I said. So these are all just the ones that I can get just for today. All right. And then it has some stuff down here you can look at. These are just suggested rewards. Okay. So once you have your points, okay, say you have your points, you're ready, you want to redeem it for a sub on the PC, then all you got to do is go to redeem here at the top. And I don't know why it's taking so long. Okay, we're going to click on redeem once it comes to this page. Okay, instead of trying to search through all this stuff on the page here, just simply type in Mixer. It will bring it up immediately right there. You want to click on that. Redeem reward. Of course, right when I go to do a video, my internet wants to be slow. Come on. My gosh, I don't know why it's taking so long. Sorry, guys. Might have to stop the video and come back to this. Okay, so this is what it will bring up. It says 1 month, of course. That's all it will give you. So you guys know this is for 1 month. And then you just want to click on redeem reward. Once you do that, it will send you an email just like I said it does on Xbox. Once you get that code, then you're going to put it in on the Mixer site to redeem it. You can set it as a goal. That just means that it puts it there and it'll kind of tell you, oh yeah, you've earned enough points to get this. So you notice this is crossed out, so it's only 3,600 points right now. Originally it looks like it was 3,850. So and just so it says down here, so you can read, with a 1 month channel sub, you can provide direct financial support to your favorite Mixer partners for free, unlock their custom emotes site-wide, and earn 5 times the Sparks and 2 times the XP when watching their channel. So that's how you would do it on your PC. The next I'm going to go into how to do it on your phone as well. And you can do these daily, guys. You can do it on your PC, your Xbox, and your phone daily. So you can earn as many points as you want, and it's free, and then you're helping to support a Mixer partner, and then in turn getting to benefit from all these things they say here, the custom emotes, the 5 times the Sparks, and the 2 times XP. So I think that's great. So we'll go through the phone next, and then I'm going to go over a bunch of stuff that was actually given out by Mixer in their blog about this. And if you don't care to know about that and you don't have any more questions, and that's great, sign up for the Microsoft Rewards and get to earning your points. And then I'm going to go on. So I will go on with how to redeem the code next. Then I will go on to how you do it on your phone. And then I will go through some of the FAQ, the frequently asked questions, for this whole thing. Okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to get the rewards on your phone. So obviously this is an Apple iPhone. I don't know if you have an iPhone or an Android. You're going to want to go to your App Store. I think on Android it's a Play Store. Once you go to the App Store, I'm going to show you here. You're going to want to type in Microsoft Rewards in the search bar. It's going to bring this up, Microsoft Bing search. I don't know what it is on Android, if it's the same. Maybe it's called Microsoft Rewards. It might just say Microsoft Bing search like this one. Once you download that, you want to open it. It's going to look like this. This is what it looks like on the iPhone anyway, like I said. So whatever you're seeing right now is going to be on the iPhone. I don't know what it looks like on the Android. I would think it was probably going to be pretty similar. Once you're signed in, as you can see my icon down here in the bottom hand right corner. Once you're signed in, you're going to want to go click on that little icon. It's going to bring you to this page. You're then going to click on rewards on this page. And then it's going to give you a list of all the rewards that you can do within your phone. Now, as far as redeeming rewards on your phone, You still would have to go log in to do that on your phone. So if you have an option, I would recommend going back to your PC, obviously, and doing it that way, because it would be easier than doing it on your phone. But you are able to do it through the phone, but you have to like click on the site and then log in and all that kind of stuff. So you can do it through that way if you want to, but this is a way I would suggest, is just to kind of do the ones on your phone. You get the code for the subscription. You want to sign in to Mixer here. Obviously, sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you want to go to whatever page you're wanting to sub to, whoever your favorite partner streamer is. I'm just showing you an example of my own page. Once you get to their page, you're going to scroll down to where it says subscribe here. You want to click on this button. Once you click on this button, these are the options that will come up. You want to put the code right in here, and then this will turn white like these are. It'll be highlighted. You put this in, this will light up, or it won't light up, but you'll see use. And then just click on it. That's it. Simple as that.